How to make money on Upwork as a mobile app developer. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money from this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the get started button to proceed to creating our account. And here, make sure to join as a freelancer. Then click on apply as a freelancer. Then you fill the usual information, first name, last name, and so on. And then you create your account. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here, enter your email, continue with email, and enter your password, login, and wait for them to verify it. Then you will proceed to setting up your profile. And here, this is the last step of setting the profile. So let's go back to start from the beginning or from the first steps. So here, let's go back. And here, let's get started. And we have a question and we have 3 answers to choose from. You can choose the answer that fits you or the answer that fits your situation. Then click on next. Same thing with this other question. What's your biggest goal for freelancing? You can choose the answer that fits your situation. Then click on next. And here you have 3 options to choose. I advise you to choose all of them. They will not do any harm, so you can just choose them all, even the third one. Then click on next to create a profile. So here you have 3 options to choose from in order to create your profile. You can either import your profile from LinkedIn, or you can upload your resume if you have it in a file in your desktop. Or you can just fill it out manually. It will take less than 15 minutes. So let's go with the third option, and here click on start a new profile. Then you'll proceed to enter in your skill, which is mobile app developer, and let's enter it in here. Then click on next to add your experience, and here you can add your previous work experience, the title of it, company, location, and so on. And the same thing with education as well. You can enter your education history in here. After that, you proceed to add in the languages, and as you can see, English is a must in this platform. You cannot work in the platform without English. And here you choose your level in that language. For me, my level in English is conversational. And here you can add as many languages as you can speak and write. And that will be two more languages for me. The second one is my native language, and the third one is French, and Arabic is my native language, and French I've studied it in school, so my level in it is basic. Then click on next to add your skills. So they've already suggested some skills for us, like mobile app, smartphone application, desktop application, and as you can see, the maximum is 15 skills, so there is still enough room for a lot of skills in here. And after you're done with the skills, click next to write an overview. So here you write a bio to tell the world all about yourself, and this is an example of a bio, a small text and some bullet points. So guys, in order to enter a good bio for your profile, just go to ChatGPT, enter I'm a developer, or enter I'm a mobile app developer, give me a bio for my Upwork profile, and you will get a very good bio. You will just need to add some personal information, make some adjustments to it, and then copy and paste it in here. For me, I'm going to take this bio and enter it in here. I don't want to make the video too long for you by going to ChatGPT. Then click on next to choose your categories. So here you can search for a service, or you can just choose the one that is suggested to us, which is mobile development. Let's see if we can find another service. So here let's go to desktop or game design and development as well, and let's choose another one, web development, desktop application development as well. Then click on next to set your rate. So here let's enter our hourly rate, and then click on next to add your photo and location. So here you can fill these information, date of birth and the address. Then you upload your photo, but just make sure, guys, to show clients the best version of yourself. It must be an actual photo of you. Logos, clip art, group photos, and digitally altered images are not allowed, so keep that in mind, guys. And when you're done with the profile picture, and when you're done with the profile setting up, this is how you're going to improve your profile. I'm just going to log out to show you how you can improve your profile. So here I'm going to go to the main page, which is this one, and basically the idea is that we're going to look for the highest earners amongst the people that are doing the same skill like us or like our skill, and then see or spy on their profile, get inspiration from their profile, see what is working for them, how much they're getting paid, what are the other skills that they're doing, and try to learn more skills, the more skills that align with the main skill of ours. So here let's look to see the highest earner in this category. So here we have 80 grand, 50 grand, 50. Let's see if we can find more than 80 grand. So I think 80 grand is the highest that someone earned in this category. We have 60 grand here, 80 grand as well, 40, 60. So as I said, I think 80 grand is the highest earned amount in this scale. So we're going to focus on the 80 grand, this one, see what is he doing differently, the other skills that he's doing, and try to get inspiration for our profile. And if you want to find work easily in this platform, go to find work, click on find work for your skills, and you will see all of the listed jobs that are looking for someone with your skills to apply for them. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.